I'm going to show you how to make shrimp with a sweet and hot sauce. Start by marinating the shrimp. First, remove the fillers. Cut them along the back. Keep their shell. During frying, it protects the flesh and adds flavors. Remove the intestine and vein if necessary. Open up the shell to allow the seasoning to penetrate. Put them in a mixing bowl. Then add half teaspoon of salt. Crush 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn. Add the two. Then put 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing cooking wine. Mix well. If you don't have Shaoxing, you can replace it with white wine. Let it rest while continuing the preparation. Chop 4 cloves of garlic. Grate a piece of ginger to get 1 teaspoon. Put it with the chopped garlic. Cut 2 hot chilies or 1 mini pepper for the non-spicy version. Mince a spring onion. For the sauce, in a bowl, put 1/3 cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of white rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix and keep aside. Put 1 egg white in the shrimp. Mix. Gradually add 6 tablespoons of cornstarch. The mixture of starch and egg whites creates a batter that sticks to the shrimp. When frying, it forms a protective crust that keeps the shrimp fresh, juicy. This crust becomes light and crispy. Preheat the frying oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the shrimp for 2 minutes. Do this in 3 batches. Remove them and place them on the rack. They are ready. To make the chili sauce, in a pan, heat it over high heat. Put 1 tablespoon of frying oil and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Spread it a little and let it caramelize without stirring. When it starts to take color, stir a little for even cooking. When bubbles and smoke appear, turn to low heat. Add the garlic, ginger and chili. Stir for 10 seconds. Add the sauce. Stir for 15 seconds. The sauce thickens, turn off the heat. Pour a sauce into a dish. Place the shrimp on the sauce. Sprinkle with spring onion. The fried shrimp with chili sauce are ready. Enjoy with jasmine rice and a bowl of miso soup with tofu. Bon appétit! The shrimp are very fragrant thanks to their shells. Take the time to slurp and dip the shrimp in the sauce. Some parts of the shells are become crispy and can be eaten. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.